welcome our esteemed chief guest, respected directors, principal ma'am, vice principal sir, headmistress ma'am, coordinators, teachers, parents, and our dear students to the annual production, Malgudi Memoirs, The World of Swami, presented by the students of grade 4 to 7 of Bharatiya International School.
जडानां जडताहन्ति भक्तानां भक्तवत्सला मूढतां हरति देवी त्राहिमां शरणागतम् जाड्यकामहरे देवी त्राहिमां शरणागतम्
children have put in a lot of efforts. हमने BTS video देखी है जिसमें we could see how well they are not just performing, they are putting in efforts. There was a lot of construction work going on and still they were doing practice and rehearsals throughout. A very, very big thanks and congratulations to them and all the best for the event. And to all of you, I would say at Bharatiam International School, we have always tried that we give the best things for our children, for our students. So this is a space that we've built, which is a multi-purpose hall. The floor that you're sitting on is a sports floor and it houses 2 badminton courts. It also has 2 pickleball courts that have been marked along with an indoor volleyball and basketball. You would be thinking इतना सब कुछ यहाँ कैसे आएगा? But it is not that all of this will happen together, but one at a time. But we have 4 sporting options which are now indoor. So even during rainy season or extreme winters, now we have some space where we can have some form of sports and other physical activities over here. And also the stage area which gives us an immense opportunity for performing arts. Theatre has been the biggest learning tool which a lot of institutions use across the world. And we think that we were lacking on that aspect. I am very proud of the fact that all the parents have come. We are doing it only for grade 4 to 7 right now. And we have one more display lined up in December. And this will continue to go on. Children are putting a lot of efforts. We want you to witness how much effort they put, what is the fluency or command over the language that they've got, and the expression with which they have come up. So I would rest myself, not speak much, and let you be in Malgudi as much as possible, because it is similarly nostalgic for me as well. And that rendition, which was the initial song of Malgudi, which took me back as well a couple of years. I have the entire Malgudi days on my hard disk and I see it quite often. So thank you, children, and thank you, parents, for being here. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and a heartiest welcome to our directors, their families, all the guests, and my dear parents present here today. Every generation grows up with stories, like we've also done. These stories stay with us forever. Today, at Bharatiam International School, we step into the world of Malgudi. Like Manya and Shubhangi already said, we actually step into the soft, into that familiar space to most of you sitting here of childhood innocence. A world of simple friendships, no gadgets, small joys and moments that linger. Our children have tried very, very hard to bring that warmth alive on the stage, and you will witness it in few minutes. But it will be sheer injustice if I do not share a couple of things that I have made a note of. This evening is very, very significant to all of us. Students performed here in the newly constructed auditorium for the very first time. Over the past few days, when the construction was going on, everything was about to get finished, this space was filled with sincere rehearsals, lot of creativity that you see around, and the excitement, I must say, that these children have brought inside this premises, inside this space, because maybe they knew what special they are bringing today, which you will witness in time to come. The music opening that you have seen just now, it was amazing. And I would like to share, except for the 2 Casios, all the musical instruments were crafted right here in the school. Bamboos were purchased, they were shaped, they were tuned. Earthen pots were selected for the tones. Even a football bladder was also adopted to create harmony. So our children not only performed music, they actually learned how to build it. All the dances that you will see has a lot of hard work put in by students, their teachers, and the choreographers. They have worked so very hard that it was very, very difficult for us to tell them that take a break, sit down, and take some rest. We had to say it very, very often to them, but they were so brimming with energy and joy to come here and perform. The costumes are prepared meticulously. The accessories you will see have been thoughtfully crafted and teamed up. The graphics have been very, very thoughtfully designed because we wanted audience sitting here to feel that everything that is coming up, every detail has been taken care of and it is very well crafted with the idea behind it. Our drama team, our anchors, all of them have worked sincerely hard. They have actually invested time to understand the essence of Malgudi, and you will see them speaking in the same slang and language now when you will witness the drama and the other things or the conversation between the two students. I have especially made a note of it. I never wanted to miss out anything. I wanted to say everything. Trust me, I wanted to name few people also, hardcore people who have worked so very hard for bringing this visual production, actually giving it a visual identity. But I know time will not permit me this much that I speak all about it, but I will also talk about the drama and the anchoring team who has worked so very hard so that the charm, the innocence and the storytelling style of Malgudi comes honestly on the stage. This annual production is actually a combined dedication of students, teachers, each and every person who has worked behind the scenes every evening to make this day special for all of you. I would also like to appreciate the parents for being with us in every endeavor and for being present here today well in time to celebrate this special evening with us. I cannot rest my speech without heartfelt appreciation of art and craft team. They have worked so hard that you can see this annual production has got its visual identity because of the hard work they have put in. From handmade props to every detail set, that piece that you see on the stage, they have put in tremendous effort. Actually, this space is transformed into the feel and vibe of theatre, all because the efforts of student volunteers and art and craft team. Without wasting even a single minute, I would like to say best wishes for the entire team because the show is yet to begin. And thank you, dear parents and everyone for being here today.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जान क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते में मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे सामने है झुका मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
कर 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 महादेव तीन लोग तेरी मुट्ठी में हर 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 महादेव
अघोराणां परो मंत्र नास्ति तत्त्वं गुरोः पराद्
शंभुगिरीश यज्ञमय ईश माथे रजनीश भस्मदनसार नेत्र
गलज्जल प्रवाह पालितस्थले गले विलम्बिता भुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिका मोट्टमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्ड ताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः
हर हर शिव शंकर नीलकंठ गंगाधर आए शरणम तिहारे ज्ञान ऐसा विशाल बैठे हो मृग नैन छाए माथे चंद्र विराजे
na 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 Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya
जय नीलकंठ जय भूतनाथ गंगाधर हर हर महादेव भगवान जय जट जट कटान धा ते धाता कटान धा ते धाता कटान धा ते धा
निर्धरी विलोलमी जिवल्लरी विराजमान मूढ़ी तगन 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 स्वलल्ललाट पंड पाविके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रते प्रतीक्षणं मम धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी विलास बंधु बंधु गंध संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरिणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापति वचित दिगंबरे मनो विनोद में वासुरी
For the next hour, you are no longer here. You are strolling past the Kaveri River. You are standing right in the middle of a South Indian village, and you are late for the class at Albert Mission School. It is time to meet Swami Nathan. Ladies and gentlemen, we take immense pride in presenting the annual production of Bhartiyam International School, Malgudi Memoirs, the World of Swami. Hello dear friends, a thought must be crossing your minds. What is this old man doing here on such a fine occasion? Well, I have been watching these wonderful Indian children growing up. They talk English, walk English, but they don't really read English. Because if they did, you would have known me by now. Allow me to introduce myself. I am William Wordsworth of Indian English Literature. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, or simply R.K. Narayan, the novelist. Yes, for you, I may seem like a ghost, but for your parents and grandparents, I'm a blast from the past. I was born on 1906. My father was in a transferable job, and through our travels, I came to love the freedom-loving people of India. Though my family was typically apolitical, I always believed that India and its people deserve freedom and dignity. I completed my bachelor's degree and started working as a teacher. But as you see, you can't keep a writer caged behind the school gates. It's like caging a falcon. So, I quit my job and followed my true calling, writing. It was in September 1930. After a conversation with Graham Greene, yes, the Oxford professor Graham Greene, that I decided to write about a small fictional town called Malgudi. You won't find Malgudi on any map because it was born out of my imagination. An imagination, wide and vibrant, fed by reading, reflection, and creation. In Malgudi, nobody is very rich, yet everyone is rich at heart. They have compassion, courage, and an unshakable moral spirit. अब मेरा इंडिया थोड़ा अच्छा है because in my home we mostly spoke Tamil and English, so sometimes my Hindi may sound a bit funny, but still let me try. मालगुडी लेना हर कोई बहुत ही जिंदा दिली से रहता है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, एक दूसरे का साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ते और कैसा भी परिस्थिति हो, हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ सीख कर ही जाते हैं। तो आज मालगुडी की इस यात्रा में हम ऐसा ही कुछ लोगों से मिलने वाला है और उनकी कहानियां सुनने वाला है। अरे सब नहीं बता देगा तो दिखाएंगे क्या? आज तो लगता है स्वामी की मम्मी स्वामी को स्कूल भेज कर ही मानेंगी। बेचारा स्वामी।
Welcome to the charming world of Malgudi, where every day brings a new adventure and a lesson to learn. In this small town, we find Swaminathan, an ordinary boy who lives an extraordinary life, full of laughter and endless curiosity. And we have here Swami's parents, his friends, Mani, Sankar, Somu, Rajan, Kavita and Kalyani. Swami's teacher, Mr. Ebenezer, and the school beyond. Swami's days are filled with fun, mischief, and the challenges of school life. He is always questioning, exploring, and discovering the world around him. heart. Let's step into his world and see what Swami's journey has in store for us.
தெரியாதா ஹிந்தில
ஒன் செகண்டா
Ask the Lord Vishnu. But for now, wake up. I don't have time for a small talk. Your baby brother is already crying. Ayyo, Appa. I am not feeling well today. I have a headache.
Oh, really? I am having a palm stick that will improve when I beat you black and blue.
Oh, Appa. Why are you always angry with me? You know, our master, Avenger, he beats us badly every day.
You must be misbehaving.
No, Appa, he's a devil incarnate. For every small mistake, he lashes us like animals.
Well, if that's the case, let me write you a letter of complaint. You can give it to the headmaster and he will take up Avengers case.
Oh, Swami, carrying his father's letter and a heart full of worries. But in a young boy's life, no trouble lasts forever, especially when friends await with their own stories and challenges. Now we move to the schoolyard where lunch boxes are shared, tempers are tested, and cricket plans are made.
Oh, hello कल्याणी। तुम्हारे लंच बॉक्स में ये क्या परमाणु बम छिपा है? Iron brand varas with fresh coconut payasam. My amma made it. You will love it. वाह कल्याणी, तुम्हारी माँ वो तो बड़ी ही जादूगरनी है। लेकिन क्या तुमने मैथ का होमवर्क पूरा किया? अयो, let's not talk about math homework here.
तुम सब छोटे मोटे खाने की बात करो. I got fresh mangoes from the government orchard, sweet and juicy.
Early mangoes, Rajan. You are lucky. Your father is police officer, and you have got apples for all of us too. आज तो रोज पार्टी करेंगे. Splendid, अति उत्तम, spectacular, just awesome. Hey Shankar, where's my cricket bat? Oh नहीं, उसे घर पर छोड़ आया हूँ. I will break your bones with my gada.
அவர் ஸ்டைலில் டான்ஸனை போட்டு புத்து நாட்டத்தை டிஸ்கோவில் காட்டு நம்ம கூப்பில மெசேஜ வழி பொண்ணு பண்ணுவே பின்னாடி போய் கூப்பில படி பாட்டு பத்தி வீடியோவில் படி saya telah mengerti Uling gila saya stay mengerti Makan mendayo semua murishti Akan bukti dia tulik yang bukti Uling gila saya telah mengerti Uling gila saya stay mengerti Makan mendayo semua murishti Akan bukti dia tulik yang bukti Wangala cerita
एक पत्र जिसे उसे हेडमास्टर को देना है। Stand up. What are you doing? Are you planning to go to space? If you are studying, tell me the weather of Fiji. Sir, Fiji का मौसम भारत जैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता। वहाँ इतनी गर्मी होती है कि आपकी मूर्छा में पिघल जाए। What language is spoken there? Sir, Fiji has पिजन लैंग्वेज। उन्होंने इसका नाम बहुत सोच समझ कर रखा है। कविता and Kalyani describe Fiji for Swami, or else I will send both of you to Fiji.
Fiji is an island country in the South Pacific Ocean.
Excellent. Now, Swaminathan, tell me the landscape of Fiji. Sir, it's just very, very, very beautiful. बहुत, बहुत, बहुत सुंदर. What you said is pointless. Wrong information. How beautiful it would be if I throw you out of the class. Now, tell me about the wind pattern of Fiji. Sir, wind is going round and round and round. Very cool, sir. That's enough, Swami. इतना धीरे मारा मुझे तो कुछ महसूस ही नहीं हुआ।
He hit you the same, my brother. You, my friend, have developed a rhino skill. Rhino Swami, Rhino Swami, Rhino Swami. Come, Swami, let's go.
I want to see the headmaster. Mommy, come with me to the headmaster's room. I want to see the headmaster. अति आवश्यक देश हित में जरूरी है।
अति आवश्यक देश हित। तुम क्या प्रधानमंत्री हो? He is not here.
Come now, I want to see him. Please, मुझे उनसे मिलना है। अगर मैंने उन्हें पत्र नहीं दिया तो स्कूल में मेरा भविष्य खतरे में है।
अच्छा, इतना ही जरूरी है तो इसे सर एबेनेजर को ही दे दो।
Complain letter of Sir Ebenezer to himself.
Yes. Go away now. What happened, Swami? You look stressed. You look scared, Swami. You are katam. Finished, brother. If you give the letter to Sir Ebenezer, he will make a donkey out of you.
I will keep it. Keep it? Appa will scold you.
गया बेटा गया, स्वामी बेटा गया, बाय बाय।
How did I consider you all friends? You are fools. The day in school turns out to be as difficult as ever. Swami's day is filled with strict teachers, teasing friends, and that one letter haunting him. Despite his efforts to avoid trouble, Swami cannot escape the reality of his actions. As he returns home, the burden of his life follows him.
Dear, please give me a cup of tea.
Oh, all the time. Give me this, give me that. When I ask for a sari, you turn me into a statue.
Hey you, stop. Why are you still holding that letter?
Appa, the headmaster was on a leave. Some emergency for a week.
Really? You didn't know that? When you did your stories up to skip school?
Where is the test paper? Oh, Swami, stop lying.
Look at me, Swami. Your grades are falling. Your behavior is worsening. I doubt Sir Abenzer did anything wrong at all. Give me the letter and go study now.
Oh, Swami, how many times must we tell you? Never lie to us. We are your parents. We can access your face and get the truth. Why do you do this, Raja? Life cannot always be lived in excuses. Now go and apologize to Appa. Sorry, Appa.
Carry the world on your back. Look at you tonight. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Pushing on me, don't you in the body? I can do this all. We'll be there till the morning, go to bed, we go see. Come on, get the body.
दिन भर का हंगामा अभी घूम रहा था। लेटर, झूठ, मार, डांट, सब कुछ। कभी कभी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा इम्तिहान क्लासरूम में नहीं, अपने दिल में होता है। अयो मामा, ये लेटर में तो मेरी बैंड ही बजा। मैं झूठ क्यों बोला? अम्मा से भी, पापा से भी, बस एक छोटी सी तो बात थी, पर अब लगता है गलती तो छोटी थी, पर दिल बहुत बड़ा है। शायद हिम्मत का मतलब अपनी गलती मान लेना।
Looks like our little king is asleep. Well, I never thought I'd see this day.
पापा, मैं सो नहीं रहा था, बस सोच रहा था। मैं गलत था। मैं विंदर सर का कंप्लेंट देना चाहता और झूठ बोल दिया। सॉरी अप्पा।
Ayyo, miracle! Swami actually said sorry and without Amma's threat. Son, everyone makes mistakes, but a true person is one who learns from them. Next time, don't lie. Otherwise, I will bring the stick and your Monster Monday will become a daily event.
Oh, what is happening here? A late night confession or a moral science class? Anyway, one punishment for both. Finish this meal in one go. अप्पा, ये दूध तो वर्ल्ड का स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वेपन है। मुझे लगता है एवेंजर सर भी यही पिलाकर सजा देते होंगे।
That's enough, Swami. Tomorrow you will go to school and apologize to sir and tell your friends too. A real hero is the one who speaks the truth.
अप्पा पक्का, कल से नया सॉन्ग वर्जन 2.0।
रातों को जग जग के मैंने रातों को जग जग के तारा तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया तारा तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना
सारा चमक रहा था और स्वामी का दिल थोड़ा ज्यादा हल्का लग रहा था। बस स्वामी, no drama, no excuse, just courage. जय मालगुड़ी माता। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग स्वामी। सर, मैं आपसे सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ। मैं गलत था। मुझे लगा था आप सख्त हैं, पर आप तो हमें बस सिखाते हैं, बस थोड़े ज्यादा। Oh, so that great storyteller Swaminathan speaks the truth today. I forgive you, Swami, but next time use your imagination for essays, not excuses. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. You are the best, sir.
हेलो स्वामी, एपटी आई विथ यू। क्या हुआ, फिर से छड़ी मिली क्या?
नहीं रे, एवेंजर सर ने मुझे माफ कर दिया और बोले मैं इमेजिनेटिव हूँ, मतलब अब मैं स्वामी द राइटर। अयो स्वामी राइटर, फिर तो हम सब हीरो बन जाएगा।
स्वामी, तू तो एक दिन फेमस बनेगा। आरके नारायण पार्ट 2 और मैं तेरी बुक लॉन्च पर इडली सर्व करूंगी।
थैंक यू दोस्तों, आज मैंने एक बात सीखी। सच बोलने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, पर जब बोलो ना तो दिल बिल्कुल मालगुड़ी जैसा लगता है, पीसफुल और हैप्पी।
वाह स्वामी, तू तो पूरा डायलॉग बाज बन गया है।
अयो, अब तो पाई बनती है।
Salsa, non flamenco, my brother. Do you know Desi Nach? What's Desi Nach?
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सीन उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजी जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो।
से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेच नाचो,
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो। रोटी गोता रोटी मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोड़े,
हाँ जा गोरे,
हाँ जा छोड़े, नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 ऐसा नाचो गूंज ढोल ऐसे देखो धनना के रोगी नाच शोर सुनो है धमाका जैसे शेर हर दिन नाचे दिल का ये मेरा यार अपने साथ नाचो गीतों के जोरों पे तुम धड़ाका देसी नाचो पसीना मारेगा चमके चमके ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 से कला के वीर नाचो झूम गाओ है मेला ऊंचा पाँव यूं पटका है ये देसी मेला कैसा रहा ये गायक की नाचो 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 अरे घूम घूम फिर के जाओ मैं चांद जगा घूम घूम नाचे जा दुनिया हिलाते सारी नाचो नाचो नाचो
Today's Swami taught us something simple, that every child grows through small mistakes, and when he learns to correct them, that becomes his true education. Malgudi may not exist on any earth, but it lives in every heart, where truth, friendship, and a touch of mischief always win. Malgudi Zindabad, Swami rocks. Your